Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a master bathroom deep clean. I like to start from the top and work my way down. So here I'm just using my Swiffer to get the dust off of our vanity lights. And now I'm using some Comet in the lavender scent to scrub out the sinks. On a normal, just tidy, I'll use Clorox wipes and just wipe down the vanity and the faucets, but today I wanted to do a deeper clean, so that's where I'm going to start. This Comet works really well. I try to use some more natural products in general, but for the bathroom, I don't mind using things that get the job done. So this works really well, smells great, so that's what I'm going to do first. I'm just wiping off some of the excess water and cleaning product. Today I actually did an extra step. I've been trying to be really diligent about disinfecting with everything going on right now. So in just a second, I'm gonna spray the countertops and the faucets and the sinks with the Jaws disinfectant. You're supposed to let it sit for a while, so I'm gonna spray that all over and let it sit for a minute while I do something else, and then I'll go back to it. While my disinfectant's working, I'm going to clean the mirror, and today I'm only using my e-cloth, so I'm not going to use any product. This works amazingly well. As you might have seen in my previous video, I do like the Jaws glass cleaner combined with the polishing cloth from e-cloth, but they actually have this glass and window cleaner. All you do is wet it, wring it out, wipe down your mirror or window, and then go over it with the polishing cloth, and it's another favorite of mine, so I'm going to use that today. And it doesn't leave any streaks, it gets it really clean, and you don't have to use any products. So sometimes it's fun just to change up what you do, and sometimes you may not want to use any product at all, and that's what I'm doing here. Now I'm gonna tackle the toilet, not a favorite thing to do, but it must be done. So I'm also gonna spray that down with the Jaws disinfectant first. Again, it needs to sit for a while, so I'll go ahead and let that work while I take on something else. I'm going back to the vanity now to wipe off the disinfectant because it had been long enough. And then in just a minute, I'm going to go back over the vanity countertops and the actual vanity itself with the Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface cleaner. I know this seems like a lot of steps, but again, I added in the disinfecting just because of the times that we're in right now. I normally just scrub the sinks and the vanity with the Clorox and then go back over it with the multi-surface because it smells amazing and it just gives it a nice polish, gets any water spots off the chrome. So that's what I'm doing here. I have several Mrs. Meyer's products that smell really good. This one is the honeysuckle. I forgot to mention that. I highly recommend trying that one. the peony and the basil scents. I use the dish soap, the multi-surface spray, the hand soap, as many products as I can get a hold of, and I highly recommend all of those. And I definitely want to try some more later, but today it is honeysuckle. I got this mirror tray and the accessories from HomeGoods, and it's really pretty, but of course, because it's got a shiny finish to the accessories and a mirror tray, it collects so much dust and so many fingerprints. But unfortunately, I have a thing for mirror furniture, so it is what it is. But here I'm also using just my e-cloths to clean everything. I don't think you could see really up close how dusty they were and how many fingerprints, but this is also something I have to do on a regular basis. So I'm doing that now, just cleaning those off. I'm gonna refill the soap. I just have some soft soap that I use in there. And then I tried to give you a quick glimpse of the tray before I cleaned it off, just to give you an idea of what it looked like. But as usual, my e-cloths did the trick and worked amazing. I'm moving on to the window, and I'm using my Swiffer to dust the blinds, and then I'll also use my e-cloth combo again to clean the window. And I just finished it off with more of the Mrs. Meyer's and honeysuckle to get the dust off the window ledge. Now I'm wiping the disinfectant off the toilet because again it had been long enough for it to sit and do its magic. I just have to say these Clorox toilet wands are amazing. I know I rave about a lot of cleaning products, but it's just because I get things that I really enjoy. I use the Clorox disinfecting wipes to clean off the wand after I use it, but these things work so well, it's so convenient, and I just feel better not having a nasty toilet brush in my bathroom. And once I'm finished, I'm just going to throw away the little cleaner on the end and wipe off the wand with my Clorox wipe. And after that, I'm good to go. And like I said, it just feels a little cleaner to me to have something I can just throw away. And the last thing for the toilet area is I'm just wiping off the wand holder and then wiping around the bottom of the toilet with the Clorox wipes. As I'm putting things back, you'll see me wipe off the trash can with a Clorox wipe. And the next thing I'm going to do is my shower door. And the reason you're not seeing me actually clean my shower is, one, it's a pain. I have the hardest time cleaning that shower. It's like a workout, but I have found that the easiest and most efficient way to do it is while I'm in the shower. So of course I cannot record that. One day I may try to get a good angle and clean it for you guys, but trying to film it on top of the fact that it's easier to do it while you're in the shower is just not ideal. So maybe one day, but for right now, you'll just see me using my eCloth Duo again to clean the outside glass. Next, I'm using my Swiffer duster to get the dust off the baseboards. I actually like doing this better than using a multi-surface or any other kind of cleaner and a microfiber cloth. It just seems like it knocks the dust off a lot better. So that's what I'm doing here before I vacuum. The next thing I'm going to do is shake out our bath mat so I can wash it. I'm also taking out our towels so I can put fresh ones in after I'm done cleaning. Now I'm vacuuming, as I'm sure you would expect. Now that I've knocked all the dust off the baseboards, it's all over the floor along with hair and everything else. So I'm going to do that now, and then after that I will be ready to mop. I wanted to mention for mopping in my main living areas, I use my spray e-cloth mop, but for the bathrooms and the laundry room, I really like the smell of Fabuloso. So I'm using my O-Cedar spin mop, which is another amazing product, have to recommend it, and some Fabuloso, and it smells so good. So I just get the water super hot and put some Fabuloso in there, and that'll be the last step in the bathroom, is to get it sparkling clean by mopping the floors. That's going to do it for the master bathroom deep clean. My bath mat isn't ready yet. It's in the wash with some bleach since it's white. So I'll just put out some fresh towels and we'll be good to go. Thank you guys so much for watching this video and spending the time with me. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did and you made it this far, please give it a thumbs up. If you leave me a comment below, I would greatly appreciate it. And I hope you'll subscribe. It's absolutely free. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.